First tonight at 11, Maine lawmakers are debating a possible red flag law for Maine that would strengthen the state's gun rules.
That's one of the ideas that came out of the Lewiston mass shooting. Tonight, there was a public hearing on this bill after a dispute between Republicans and Democrats about whether it was even necessary to hold that hearing under state law.
Tonight, people for and against the bill spoke for hours. CBS 13's Julia Simone was there at the State House.
We need to take some steps. We need to find a way to meet in the middle.
A red flag law would make it easier for anyone to temporarily remove access to firearms from people who are in crisis. Currently, Maine has a yellow flag law, meaning only law enforcement can temporarily remove firearms from someone who is deemed dangerous to themselves or others.
There has been a concern that voiced to me that with the red flag.
We spoke with a supporter of the bill whose son died in the Lewiston mass shooting. He believes the tragedy could have been avoided if this law was enacted 2 years ago.
We have to allow these families to report somebody. They are the first line of defense. They are the first ones who know. These were 18 families, but there were 45,000 families across the country.
The current yellow flag law also includes an additional step of a mental health evaluation before a court can issue a firearm removal. A red flag law would eliminate that step. Destiny Johnson, who is a survivor of the Lewiston shooting, is against the red flag law, saying the state should focus on enforcing the laws already on the books.
Why would the state of Maine put a red flag law in place now when they never enforced the yellow flag law to begin with? Who are you protecting? Obviously, you are not trying to protect us. It feels like you are trying to protect the criminals here in Maine.
Right now, 21 states in the U.S. have red flag laws, including most of New England. Another person who testified against the bill warns it's a slippery slope to eliminate gun ownership.
That is why it's designed this way. It is designed to take the yellow flag to a whole new level, make it easier to take our firearms.
This public hearing is just the first step in what could be a very long process. Lawmakers will likely vote on it, and there is no date for that yet. And depending on what happens, a red flag law question could be on the ballot this November for Mainers to vote on. At the State House, Julia Simone, CBS 13 News.
New at 11.